You can expect a lot from the 2020 Subaru Impreza. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, a trip computer, lane departure warning, and more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you